Welcome viewers, today Chef Dom is going to show you how to make his famous crab cakes. Actually it was a Daddy Jack's original recipe at the restaurant. Yep. And he's also going to show you how to make homemade tartar sauce along with homemade cocktail sauce. It's unbelievable.
Very good.
All right, let's get cooking.
All right guys, we're going to do our famous crab cakes that we did at Daddy Jack's for many years. Jack Chaplin, of course. Daddy Jack. Anyway, we're going to fry some garlic, onions, and celery in a little butter first before we start our crab cakes. We used to make so many crab cakes. I mean, we used to put 5 pounds of crab meat in our crab cakes. Wow. And not even, and not about half of that amount of breadcrumb in there. So it was like 90% crab meat on crab cakes. Nice. And I'll go over the ingredients in a little bit, but let's chop this celery now. We're going to put some onions in there. This is going to be for 2 pounds of crab meat. This will be a great Christmas Eve, one of your 7 fishes. Oh, yeah. For an appetizer. Definitely. And I got some beautiful lump crab meat here. It's really good. I mean, it's expensive, but if you're gonna get crab meat, I would go to Sam's. You don't want to brown these too much. Just want to just a very, very light brown. All right, let's pick through the crab meat. See if there's any shells in there. It's actually really good crab meat. Oh, yeah, that's really nice. Give it a try.
Sweet?
Good, man.
That's good.
Very sweet. Try it. Right. Also, one of these days, I'm going to do a crab and shrimp Louis salad.
Oh, yeah.
On a bun, we're going to do it. Oh, man, remember? They used to do that for a special?
Yeah.
Shrimp and lobster Louis sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Made with Louis dressing. Little brandy, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Let it cool a little bit, too. It's some nice crab meat. I'll tell you that much.
Oh, yeah. It's very nice.
It's very clean.
Man, didn't have any shells, huh?
You'll know when you bite into it. It happens, you know.
Yeah,
I mean, when you eat shellfish,
yeah,
especially crab, the crab meat in here. And like I said, we always cook for a lot of people. You can probably make like 4 or 5 nice sized crab cakes out of 1 pound, because I know it's expensive.
Yeah.
Well, you can make them smaller.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not going to make them as big as we did at the restaurant.
No.
They were like this.
I know.
And about that thick.
I know.
2nd pound of crab meat in here. Delicious. Add some Italian parsley in here.
Of course.
Okay, we're gonna put some pepper in there. Little bit of salt. Some tarragon here. This is Jack's spice right here.
That's his signature spice.
This is that.
He liked to cook with tarragon.
And it is good in a lot of stuff. You don't want to put too much because it's pretty strong.
Yeah.
Then I got some thyme here.
How much time do you have?
All the time in the world. I'm retired. Also, Jack's signature.
Oh yeah.
With the green onions.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, man, it really gives it a nice, great flavor. Some little granulated garlic in there too. Now we're gonna put some, what do we got here? Ooh, Duke's mayonnaise.
Like Duke's.
Very good. All right, a little Dijon mustard.
Oh, you're right. Oh man, that's gonna be good. Oh yeah.
Put some breadcrumb in there. Like I said, it's like 80–90% crab meat. Here. Oh yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's the ticket right there. There you go.
I just determined to make them. You just make balls out of them.
That's not a ball.
It's a puck. It's a puck.
It's a small hockey puck. All right, we're gonna make our own. We're gonna make some fresh tartar sauce and cocktail sauce.
Awesome.
And some relish. I got a little pickle juice there. Add it to it. Give it some.
Oh, nice. So easy to make.
It is. It's so easy. It's crazy, man.
When you try to buy, you pay twice the price.
And it's nasty.
Yeah.
This is ready. We're gonna put this in the fridge. Now we're gonna make our cocktail sauce. Some horseradish. I don't know how hot this one is. Sometimes you buy some and it's not even hot.
Yeah.
But that one says extra hot. We'll see.
Yeah.
Also, too, we're gonna put a little. We don't have any Tabasco today, but this is basically the same. Put a little bit of Cholula hot sauce in there.
Nice.
Some lemon.
Another easy recipe.
And that's it.
Ready?
Beautiful, man.
All right. We'll let that chill.
Where's the shrimp cocktail? All right, we're gonna make some clarified butter with some unsalted butter. You don't have to use clarified butter. A lot of people don't like it, but the flavor is a whole lot better with the clarified butter than frying it in olive oil.
Yeah. Plus, it's got a higher heating point, you know, where it won't burn.
All right, I'm gonna get this out of here because it'll turn black real quick.
Yeah, we got to cook for about 5 or 6 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be real careful. All right, let's start cooking them crab cakes.
All right, we're gonna wait till our oil gets hot. Meanwhile, we're gonna flour our crab cakes a little bit. This way they don't stick.
Very nice.
I must have made in the last 30 years thousands and thousands of crab cakes.
Oh, I know.
Woo!
This is very popular at the restaurant.
We used to have the crab cake meal too with the vegetable and, you know, 2 big crab cakes and vegetable and baked potato or mashed potatoes. That was a big seller for lunchtime.
All right.
Off the fire. Okay, crab cakes are gonna go in. All right, you ready? Let's flip these babies.
Look at that. Oh, man, these are so good. They smell unbelievable.
Okay, look over. Beautiful crab cakes.
That one's not ready yet?
Yeah. Just turn over.
Look at those crab cakes.
Beautiful. So cooking time on this is probably like 3 minutes on each side. You know, 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Depends on how hot your pan is. And like I said, it's just, you know, the crab meat's already pasteurized, so.
I'll tell you what, it smells like I'm back in Daddy Jack's. The old familiar smell.
All right. I recommend that you guys at home who do this, who've never done it before, that you guys put a few eggs in there because you gotta just be, you know, gentle like me.
You mean for the novice cook, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would put 1 egg per pound of crab.
And that's it.
All right, let's eat.
Now it's time to eat.
All right.
Eat
Check
this
those
baby
out.
up.
Give it the old taste test. Oh man. First I'm gonna try it with some cocktail sauce.
Yeah.
Brings back memories.
Delicious.
Try with a little homemade tartar sauce. Oh my God. My favorite is the tartar sauce with that. For sure.
Very good.
Anyway, you need to try this crab cake recipe. It will blow your mind.
I can't stop eating.
It is unreal. This was, like Don said earlier, this was a big seller at Daddy Jack's. And I tell you what, you and your guests will not regret it.
Your family's gonna love this on Christmas Eve.
Oh yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.